Hi guys, and welcome back to Tech Anorak. So I just want to do a quick discussion about what's the better buy out of these two phones at the moment. Um, this was my phone I picked because the Pixel 5a didn't come out in the UK, and it doesn't sound like it's happening. They've got supply chain issues. Apparently, Google, as a lot of tech companies have, and general companies in the world. Um, but there's no hope of getting the 5a, so that's why I went for this. Really glad I did. It's an awesome phone. So yeah, I've owned this one, the Google Pixel 4a, since January this year. So I've had it obviously 8 months, well, 7 and a bit months. And the Nord, I'm still within 7 days, but it's an awesome handset. But yeah, if you were looking to pick up either of these, I've got to say I'd go for the Pixel 4a because this is going to be, like they say, certain BMWs or certain cars, a future classic. That's a future classic. It's a one-off phone. You can see the 5A has gone more to this size, a 6.4-inch device, and I think in years to come, people will still talk about this phone. The only downside, though, just with a caveat, this will only get software updates until 2023, August 2023, because it was announced in August 2020. So, yeah. And then the OnePlus Nord, OnePlus have confirmed that it will get two major OS patches. So, that's going to get Android 12 and Android 13. They've also said it will continue to get software patches for 3 years as well. So, in terms of software, maybe this is a better buy. But I think with Google, you don't really hear complaints about, for instance, the Google Pixel 3 running badly after 3 years. So chances are it's still going to be fine. The other thing is the price. So currently in the UK and the rest of the world, this is discounted. In the UK at the moment, it's £279. At £350, it's a major bargain. But at at 279, that's just insane for what you're getting. The 730G processor, it's not it's just between mid-range and low-range Qualcomm processors really, but you wouldn't know it. This is buttery smooth. It doesn't have any performance drops from what I've seen in the time I've had it. Battery's okay. I get about 5 hours. My usage is pretty high. I do a lot of 4K video. I like to game. I'm always checking my phone, checking my YouTube channel, obviously. So if you want a phone that's going to last longer battery wise, the Nord has got the better battery. It's got the more powerful chipset. It's this really is a flagship chip, or just a tier below. But this phone, the way I see it, at 399 UK pounds, it's half a flagship phone and then some. So obviously, if you buy an S21, you're looking at £700-800. An iPhone 12, £800 for 128 gig. So far, like I say, I've only had this a week, but the camera's good. I need to, well, I've got a comparison video coming up between these two. I've done some filming and some camera comparison, but it's still very good. It's not, I don't think, going to be on par with the Pixel, but we'll test that out properly, guys. But this is still a good camera. So I'd say if you're an everyday person, just an everyday user, this is probably the phone for you. It's still going to get a lot done. I started my YouTube channel with this, and I've done 4K shooting on it. I've got an old Sony camera, but I don't use it. It's not been viable, really. Thanks for watching again, guys. If you're enjoying the content as well, please subscribe just to help me, because I'm on 130 subs. I'm just trying to grow the channel and bring you the best content again I can. But I totally understand. But if you can, I'd really appreciate it. This is much easier to edit on the run. What I'm trying to say is, guys, I do heavy tasks with this, and it copes absolutely fine. This one, if you into gaming, you shoot a lot of 4K video and editing as well, it's going to be quicker, but the quality of the camera is probably better on this guy. The other thing I like about this one is the 65-watt warp charger that you get in the box. That's just an awesome feature. The Pixel 4a, you still get an 18-watt charger, which is better than iPhones and Samsungs, who like to say that they're saving the planet, but I can't see how they're saving the planet by not including chargers in the box when you then have to buy one from Amazon, or they want to sell you a MagSafe charger that's going to be coming in packaging, and that it doesn't really make sense. It's more they're trying to get out of giving it you for cost wise, I would imagine. So yeah, so like I say, guys, just a quick roundup, but I think while this one is in stock, get it, because it's not discontinued at the moment. But if you've seen this last week, when the 5a was released, the 4a 5G and the Pixel 5, they've just been stopped straight away, their production. And the 4a, I would imagine when Google decides the time's right, they'll just cut production. So, maybe it's got another 6 months. I don't know how long it's going to be at that 279 for, but if you've not got this guy, I'd really recommend it. So I nearly forgot the most important thing, guys. I'd finish the video and then I'm going to edit this back in. But yeah, the in the hand feel, how well do they handle? So obviously the Pixel 4a is really thin phone. The OnePlus Nord 2 is a bigger phone, but it's not too bad. It's not much fatter if you look there, only a tiny bit. So this is still comfortable in the hand. The other thing about both devices, they've both got really good fingerprint scanners. So the Pixel 4a is on the back. It's even easier when you've got a case because your finger naturally slides to it. I don't normally like optical fingerprint readers, but this one's really good. So if you watch that, guys, really quick. I like that animation as well. If you can check that, you can pick 5 different animations, but see if you can get this. Pretty cool. And then I didn't like as well the I don't like that it's got race to wake, but then it doesn't face unlock. But what you can do is and it's really quick. If you just point it at yourself, press the power button, boom, you're in. Or again, point it at yourself, double tap the screen, again, really quick, you're in. So I'll just do my normal sort of test. So just to show you guys, I'll do it simultaneously. So we'll go on YouTube on both. There we go. And we'll go on my videos, of course. We'll get a silly one playing that I made yesterday. Then can we multitask? So on this one, split screen. This one you press and hold it, split screen, and then Chrome.
Mr. Data. Mr. Data.
Both you can drag.
OnePlus Nord has lost power.
Sorry, guys, you're getting in stereo.
Warp. Prepare to engage. Warp charge. Prepare to engage. Warp charge. Mr. Data.
Right, but there you go, guys. As you can, I'll just turn the volume down because you're going to get hit with my sound of my outro. But yeah, just to show you, both are handle well. So although this is a bigger phone, it's still nice. You can get your fingers around it. It's not a massive fat screen, and you can do some multitasking on the go and still scroll nicely. This is a 90 hertz screen as well, so this one's 60 hertz. So obviously the Pixel 5a is 90 hertz, so this is a little bit like the 5a in that respect as well. Let me know what you think in the comments, guys. How do you feel about no charger in the box for companies as well? I think it's pretty disgusting, really, because it's not going to save the planet, really, is it, in my eye? But yeah, that was not what this video was about, but obviously it's relevant to smartphones. But yeah, and tell me what you think about these two phones. Would you buy the 4a over the Nord 2, or would you go get the Nord 2 because, as I say, you're going to get bit longer on the software updates and you're going to get more power. I'd be interested to know. So, okay, guys. So, thanks for watching. Tech Anorak out. See you on the next one. Thank you.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.